News from Rajasthan. A home being run illegally for young girls from the northeast was raided by the Child Rights Protection Committee. In the state, 29 girls between the ages of 5 and 14 were rescued. The home, called Grace, was an institution meant to provide care and education to poor tribal girls from the northeast. But in the raid, it was found the children were never sent to school, teachers never visited the home to teach, and what's shocking is that the 29 girls were left alone without a lady warden. They were not allowed to call their families either. In fact, the one person who has run this home single-handedly, Jacob John, has been now taken in to police custody.
Dozens of liquor bottles in the kitchen, rotting vegetables in the store, one broken toilet and one room. This is where 29 poor tribal girls from the northeast between 5 and 14 years old were brought to live, with promises of education, food and care. But in this institution, the girls were never allowed to call their parents or be in touch with their families. They had no teachers, just a 14-year-old boy who was their warden.
हॉल के अंदर बैठ के ये खुद ही किताबें खोल के पढ़ती हैं। दो तीन थोड़ी बड़ी बच्चियां थी, वो कह रही हैं कि हम इन्हें कभी मदद कर देते हैं। तो किसी तरह से ना तो यहाँ पर कोई टीचर है, ना यहाँ पर कोई केयर टेकर है, ना यहाँ पर कोई बाई है, ना किसी प्रकार की रजिस्ट्रेशन की हुई है, ना CWC को मालूम है कि यहाँ पर बच्चे रखे हुए हैं इन्होंने। जी।
Neighbors say they never saw the children go out to play in the park in front of their home, which was a rented 2-bedroom house in a colony in Jaipur.
We have never seen any activity. It was completely shrouded with mystery. Okay. And there was nothing. I mean, it's absolutely, the place was in dark and nobody was allowed to meet the children, or the children were never allowed to come out.
Mr. Jacob John, who ran this home in clear violation of guidelines laid down by the Child Welfare Committee, also runs a similar home for boys, from where 15 young boys have been rescued. Mr. Jacob John has been detained by the police for questioning. The evidence here points to some other going-ons which are really not that respectable. Look at the number of liquor bottles. Bottles and bottles and bottles of liquor here in a home in the children's kitchen. So how a home like this was allowed to run is really the big question, and I think further investigations will reveal exactly what was going on here. In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh for NDTV.